Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We did chord progression across the frets. Uh, so we want to do it again this time. Now this time we're going to look at including the one using a 1, 6, 4, 5, and maybe 2, 6, 4, 5 chord progression. So if you know the 1, 6, 4, 5 is do, la, fa, so, and the 2, 6, 4, 5 is re, la, fa, so. So let's see. Let's do the C again. So that's the 1, 4, 5, 6. 1, 6, 4, 5. Sorry. 1, 6, 4, 5. 1, 6, then 4, and the 5. Okay. So you can do it. You're doing the same thing. This one will help you to memorize where those 6 and 4, 5 are. You're going to move further. So that's it for the 1, 6, 4, 5. What about 2, 6, 4, 5? So instead of starting with the 1, I'm going to start with 2. So how does that one go? Let's try it and see. Go to the 2 because the 1 is here. To make it easy, let's use this 2. So that's it for the trying to play the chord progressions across the fretboard. Yeah, I think this practice will help you to memorize the fretboard, the chords on the fretboard, the chords, the basic chords. These are basic chords. The other chords, the strange chords, the high class chords are there. So you can practice them in the future when you master these guys. Thank you for watching this video this far, and don't forget to subscribe, share, comment. If you have anything that you want to add or you suggest add, the comments will keep me going. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell icon so you'll be the first person to see the videos.